Then comes the Anahata Chakra, which is very near to heart, and this is well responsible for the compassion, responsible for your love, affection. Okay, the people say Dil. Dil is connected with Anahata Chakra, right? Or Hindi is Dil, right? So this Anahata Chakra is responsible for, again, your relationships with the people. The person who has Anahata Chakra well balanced, the person will able to keep here professional relationship separate with the personal relationship separate. Even for a single person. That is the beauty of Anahata Chakra. So keeping a relationship, Anahata Chakra should be activated. Coming to the throat, there is a Vishuddhi Chakra. And this Vishuddhi Chakra is responsible for imagination, your sound, capability of sound, different sounds, capability of changing your tones. That is a Vishuddhi Chakra. And you will find that if the person has a very good Vishuddhi Chakra, person has very good power to convince people, person has very good power to imagine what will happen, right? And person has very good power, even people who are very good singers, they have very good activated Vishuddhi Chakra, right? And people who get quick infections in pharynx, right? These people will definitely have a low pran in Vishuddhi Chakra. So our Pranmaya Kosha in Vishuddhi Chakra is weak. Whereas you will find some people, they won't get infected, especially throat. Why? Because they have very good power in their Vishuddhi Chakra. The blood flow is so high, the mucus which is coming out is so strong, and the what you can say, neutrophils which are coming here, as well as the antibodies which are generating, they are so quick that the throat won't get so easily infected. Very simple thing to activate Vishuddhi Chakra. Try to do Ujjayi, Bhastrika, right? Vishuddhi Chakra. And also Shwana Mudra. You can do Vishuddhi Chakra, and you can activate the Vishuddhi Chakra with this. And also you can have the Brahma Mudra with twisting our head. You can activate your Vishuddhi Chakra. And one more, that is a Ajna Chakra. So it is said that your Ida, Pingala and Sushumna, they are connected with Ajna Chakra. Extrasensory perception, controlling all organs, controlling all hormones. The master gland, which is a pituitary gland, which is situated something, when you put a perpendicular from here almost 2 to 3 inches, it is said that a pituitary gland is there, and pituitary gland is actually having one-to-one connection to our Ajna Chakra. People who generally have trouble in taking a decision, people having dual minds, people having a kind of perception challenges or thought challenges, or if the Ajna Chakra is activated erratically, then people will have hundreds and thousands of thoughts at one single given point of time. And there, the Ajna Chakra is not balanced. It is not properly activated. What is the way to do it? Very simple. Try to control your breath. Now come to the breath. Right? We'll come to the breath. How? Breath is actually connected to your balance of your heat, balance of your temperature inside your body. So, very simple, if you are feeling very warm or very hot inside the body, you are perspirating, what do? Close your right nostril and start breathing by left nostril. If you find that you are angry, okay, then also you have to close your right nostril, breathe in breathe out. Very simple. In front of customer, what do you have to do? Close your right nostril. Here from this ear. Release from this ear. What is the action item that is to be taken? That you note it down. Breathe out by left nostril. Now, your kid is saying, please take me to a movie, and you are tired. There is a lot of cold outside. You are already tired. At this point of time, you will find that you have to close your left nostril. And you have to activate your Ida, which is right nostril breathing. If you activate your Ida, you will find that you are actually getting an energy, heat. And if you are activating your Pingala, you are cooling yourself down. So in summer, you have to activate Pingala, left nostril, and you will find that our body is so intelligent. The feedback mechanism is so strong that in summer, if you go in sun in summer and you are sweating, automatically actually body close our right nostril, and you will find that you are just breathing by left nostril only, which is running very close to our vertebral column, right from Mooladhara chakra. I'll tell you, Mooladhara chakra, which is at the sacrum or at the pelvic girdle, below the pelvic girdle exactly, and pituitary gland, which is situated here, which is also connected or which is represented with the Ajna chakra. Okay. Now Sushumna, which is the center, from the center of the Mooladhara chakra to Ajna chakra, it runs, but this Sushumna has one challenge. It doesn't have pran carrying. The pran is carried by Ida and Pingala. These two nadis, they are on the left side and right side. So Ida nadi, which is on the right side, which is connected with kind of heat, solar. Left side, it is a Pingala nadi, which is connected with kind of calmness or moon. Right? But these have pran. Now, what is yoga? It's very simple. Hatha yoga is that from Ida and Pingala, you put this pran into Sushumna so that all chakra get activated. That is a simple definition of Raj Yoga. Okay, but how to do it? You will tell, boss, you are telling me lot of theory. How to do it? Okay, the very first example, which I told you about Isela Raju, correct? See the way in which he spoke. Okay, it means that he has no fear. Now, no fear is connected with your Mooladhara chakra, which is at the near the sacrum. This Mooladhara chakra, you will find that it will be activated when you have Ashwini Mudra. When you do Ashwini Mudra, that is actually pulling of your anal and genital openings and make them innervate in such a way and lock them in such a way that your pran will enter into Sushumna. That makes a person more and more a kind of healthy and with strength. But that also take out the fear. That is what is actually happen when you are very much tense or you have immediate tension in your life. You will find that your anal opening will get contracted. This is very, very simple. You try to jump into the swimming pool from 16 feet, and first time it happens that your anal opening will get contracted. Why? It's very simple. To make you fearless, to make you away from fear, right? Similarly, it is connected with the genital as well as your own safety by yourself. Of course, it is connected to all chakra. Now, you will find when you will analyze yourself which chakra is activated and which chakra is not activated, you can definitely find yourself.